Hi everyone, welcome back to week 3 of statistics with our distance or remote learning. First off, I want to say I hope everyone is starting to find some success and finding a rhythm and working out the kinks in this remote learning. I still can't imagine what 6-7 classes seems like and the workload you're going through. So make sure you're communicating with me if there's too much going on. This class is rather flexible in that we can adjust deadlines. If you need an extension, let me know and you'll be given it. With that said, I'm incredibly impressed with the work in this class and just what you're getting turned in. There's like a 98% turn in rate in this class. Everyone is getting all the assignments in. I appreciate you putting the time into doing it. I appreciate the feedback with the surveys, and I think we're just moving in a great direction right now. With that said, I wanted to provide a quick overview of this week rather than typing it all out and just rehashing what you see on your classwork page. I'm going to just run through each of the points and the assignments this week. Not points, and just quickly touch base with you all to make sure you're understanding what's going on. As always, we have our weekly check-in. I'm trying to change the format of this up a little bit so it's not just the same monotonous questions every time. What we're introducing on Monday, so today, if you're watching this Monday, or the first portion of this unit, is starting to shade and identify regions of Venn diagrams. This leads into a discussion over what's going on with this graph. We've seen this sort of thing before. This is not related to Venn diagrams yet either. This is just a place for you to discuss with your classmates and analyze some data. Then there's a lesson that I've created on shading regions and naming regions of Venn diagrams. And finally, you have an assignment. It's about 2 pages on this where you're practicing these topics. I think I've structured this in a way that you'll be successful. There's a couple questions that are going to make you think on this. Make sure you're being patient with this process. It shouldn't take you more than about 15 minutes to do the assignment as long as you've watched the video. Try your best. I'll give you private comments, and maybe if there's a class-wide comment that I need to share, just something I'm noticing, I'll do that. Finally, this week we're giving you some time to catch up in other classes. Part of the luxury of this class being a semester in a singleton, there's no other statistic class in the school, is I can adjust the schedule and modify what we're doing curriculum wise. So we're in a unique situation, so I want to give you some time just to lay off on Wednesday. What you're doing is you're just taking 30 minutes to sit down and reflect on this whole process of statistics, of remote learning, of the COVID-19, of everything that's happened in the last month or so of our lives. So this is just based on you doing the reflection on point-wise for the assignment end here, and it's just between you and I. I'm not going to share these publicly with anyone else. Of course, I wouldn't do that. So this is just a time for you to pause and reflect. I think that with the commotion sometimes and just everything that you're seeing in the media, if you're checking it, and just social media, and just to slow down and just put everything together for 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes is what I'm asking there. So we have content on Monday. We're pausing on Wednesday just to give you time to catch up in other classes, to give you time to reflect. I think that's incredibly important. And then the following Monday, which looks like it will be the 20th, we'll resume content at about the same pace that we did this week. I hope you're finding success in your classes. I hope you're getting outside at least a little bit and staying healthy. We'll keep in touch as we continue to move through this process. Thanks again for making these first 2 weeks go so well. I really do appreciate it.